Hello, thank you so much for coming to the Back to School Assessment Days. I just would like to quickly talk through some information that you can later look at. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the Medeary homepage. Just Google Medeary Brookings School District. And up at the top here, you'll find Staff Directory. You'll go to the Staff Directory and then find my name, Laura Langelett. And again, there's a red card that has all my information on it. It's a big card that has all my contact information, and my web page is on that card. Find my name, click on my web page, and again, this is welcome to third grade. There's some information about me, and you can read about me at your convenience. There's a welcome letter, and you should have a welcome letter in front of you. There's more information on my web page because I have links. Everything that's underlined is a link. If you're interested in the Daily 5, which is a reading management program, we'll be doing this as well. You can find more information just by clicking on it, like this, for example. There's download actually the parent letter you have. If you would like to find books at the Medeary Library, you can click on this and it goes straight to the Medeary Library. Oh, it looks like my link is, I'll have to fix that. Anyways, if you continue down, finding AR books, this is important because there's requirement points for each quarter. Your student has to earn certain points. To find an AR book, you would click on the arbookfind.com. And you keep going down. Again, I will let you read this at your most convenience. There is the book orders, the Math Daily 5, the standards, science, social studies, homework. If you're interested in reading a very good article on parent involvement and student success in school, they're finding that the more parent involvement, the better your student will do. Testing, we will talk about during conferences that we do maps 3 times a year. The Fontes and Fennell is 3 times a year as well. And the Smarter Balance is at the very end. That's our standardized test. Again, Dojo. Dojo is very important, and you will be getting a piece of paper that has a sign-up thing, and you can sign up on your phone. This is very important because I communicate with parents throughout the day with Dojo. If there's something that comes up and you need to know about it, I Dojo more often than email. So Dojo, I want to say it's required. It's highly you need to do it to be able to keep communication. Also, the students are going to get to use Dojo this year, and they will get to upload some of their projects, and it goes straight to your phone, and you get to see what they are doing. Gym shoes, please make sure your student knows the day that they are in gym. Again, you will be getting a medium-sized piece of paper, and you can write your student's name down and what group they're in. We are doing 2 different groups, a Group 1 and Group 2. It's a multi-age with 2nd and 3rd grade combination. And again, on the table, we'll explain more about that. And the rest of this you can read on your own. If you would like to volunteer, there's a volunteer application on my website, or in the gym today they're having applications online. You can also sign up there. It's very easy. It's like 10 questions. Very simple to do. Also, what you will need to sign up for is Epic is letting us give you an account to take home. Epic is one of our reading programs, and it's all different kinds of books online. You'll get a piece of paper to sign up for that. To find my contact information, on the left-hand side here is the month. Again, we'll have monthly newsletters. The lunch menu is right here. The Brookings 3rd grade, their schedule is here. Calendar, the Encore schedule is also here. I'll just click on this really quick to show you. This is why it's important to know which group your student is in, because for PE you need to know which day they need to bring their gym shoes. Again, that's explained after this video. Class rules, important parent links, my favorite links, development of your child, wish list, and clear at the bottom here says contact Mrs. Langelett. The great ways to contact me, number one is Dojo. Dojo goes straight to my phone. It's very easy for me to look and see if there is a change in getting your student home, that kind of thing. You can contact me through my phone number or through my email. Again, this is all on this red card that is provided for you. And the last is the volunteers. So if you would like to volunteer, at the bottom there is an application to fill out for a background check. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer it. Thank you so much for coming today, and I look so forward to seeing your students and working with them for the rest of the year.